So, how goes?
Not as can be expected.
Alright, what do you got going on over here?
Some lucky guy is going to buy a Jeep with a new lift kit on it.
Oh, all your little cheap-ass Hot Boy parts?
Hot boy parts! Springy. Painted.
So in case you don't know, Jeep Fest is Saturday.
Yes.
Today is
Wednesday.
And you want to drop a transmission, fix the oil leak, and put a lift on it before then, and then try and sell it.
Perfect.
And Granbury's been putting on lights longer than most people take to, well, do anything. How many days you been working on the lights on this thing? He's not listening. He's got his headphones on. We can't hear. But they're coming out.
That's a lot more arch.
Yeah, that's gonna... Well, it's supposed to raise it at least 3 inches, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Just don't put any heavyweight people in the back.
Right. Alright, so... We're gonna have to yank the tires. For at least the back.
Yeah. We'll try to make it easier to get to everything anyways.
Yeah. So let's yank them real quick and then we'll drop the shocks up front, throw the springs back in, boom, boom, done. So. So yeah, we're gonna get into doing this, drop these out, go with that, probably a little time-lapse action on, and then we're gonna drop the tranny and try to fix this stupid oil leak for the 3rd time. So, how goes?
About as can be expected.
So it wasn't the spot I thought in the back. It was looking like the main seal like you thought.
Yeah, taking the oil pan back off and the rear cap off for the, so we can figure out why it's leaking.
Why it's leaking. In the meantime, I finished the rear suspension lift. So, add leafs, got that all in, got the shocks on. We had to push bolts in from the inside and air hammer out the old nuts because they snapped clean off. It's kind of a common thing with these things. They do that. You can see the stud we snapped off right here. Maybe. So yeah, you can see it snapped off, and then we just broke the welds, pushed it through, and then pushed the bolt through. So that worked out well. And now the only thing we got left to do is, once he finishes doing what he's doing, we gotta drop these shocks, put our new shocks in the front, put our tires on, and we're good to go. 3-inch lift and no oil leaky. Does the seal look messed up?
No, I had oil built up on it, so I wanted to see.
Bearing looks okay.
Looks alright. I just gotta tap the other one out.
Yeah, tap that one out. Oh, I guess, where's the light at? There's the light at. You can see.
It goes right here.
There's a motor there.
You,
Yeah, so we're gonna get that out, see what we can do, and put everything together. So we'll hopefully check in with you, but we tend to forget about these type of things.